Hello there, I'm Vicki Parfenow. Welcome to my brand new channel. This is the very first video I'm uploading, and I'm doing it while I'm finishing my sketch for some of the stamps that I am creating in my digital store. So at the moment I'm working on faces, but I also have some feathers, and I've designed these stamps so that they're easy to colour. You can see I have a whole array of colouring equipment here, everything from coloured pencils to watercolour paints, and with the feathers I've coloured those in inks, and I'll be showing you demonstrations on how to do all of this. So I'll be part of your journey with you. I hope you enjoy this new channel that I've created, and if you've come from my old channel Aussie Stampers, welcome very much. I'm so glad to have some of my subscribers from that channel here too. All your support and all your comments that are so helpful in helping me decide to break out into this venture and start creating my own work. Thank you so much. I do appreciate all of you, and if you're a new fan, I appreciate you too, because I know we're going to have some fun together on this channel with all the instructional videos I show you in how to colour these stamps that I create for you. There'll be more videos to come, and I look forward to getting to know you. My social media links are all linked in the description box. Hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.